All right, hey guys, David here, Capex Scale Creations. I'm going to do things today. I'm going to show you how I do things. Chrome. Does it get you home? Sometimes. Sometimes it gets you home. But Chrome is tough. Chrome's tough. Everyone likes these Motlow thingy paint pens. I like them too. Don't get me wrong. See if we can get this focused. Those are good. These are good pens. I like them. These are also good pens. I found these off of Amazon. 3 of them for 10 bucks. Really not a bad deal. They come in different tip sizes and stuff. Real small, real big. But sometimes you need better chrome. Come on, focus. Let's go. Get the dang program. Okay. So this is what I do. It's like your girlfriend doing her nails. Now don't go and raid your girlfriend's stuff. Maybe one thing you could raid that you would be like, but you can find them really cheap on Amazon for a couple bucks. This is what dries the clear coat, polish, whatever you want to call it. So this stuff, can you see it? No. It's glass finish gel. Come on, man. Dang it. Okay. And then, I don't know the link or anything like that, but it will be chrome fingernail. Like, it's like a dust. It's funky. It's funky, but it's really cool. So I want to just show this to you guys because I see some chrome out there, and I want you guys to have good chrome. So it'll come with one of these little applicator thingies, kind of like what comes in the Tamiya makeup kits. And then you got this little tubby, oh, not the smartest, of this dust. Kind of hard to see. Do not spill that stuff. You're gonna have a bad time. I just got a little bit on my finger right here, and now it's all wonky and weird. See how it just, yeah, it's stupid. So, wet rag. All right. These are unscripted, y'all. We just kind of raw dog these videos. And yeah. So, what you're going to do first is you're going to break open your clear coat. Be ginger with this stuff. It goes very far. It's thick, but it will go a long way. So, you know, a couple dabs and then just get a nice amount on your brush. Now, wherever you want chrome, you put this stuff. If you don't want chrome somewhere, you don't put this stuff on it. So be very careful where you apply this. So we're gonna, as you can tell, this mirror already has a little bit of, you know, like testers, paint pen, stuff like that. Looks aight. But let's transform it. So here we go. Just a light coat. You don't need to take out any of the details or anything like that on the chrome or on the plastic or laying the stuff down. It doesn't need to be super thick. As the thicker it is, the funkier it'll lay. It kind of self-levels, but it doesn't. Now that doesn't make much sense, but once you start messing with it, you'll understand what I'm doing or what I'm talking about. Okay, so right on that edge, I'm trying to keep it in view. This edge, this edge, and that edge, and that edge. All right, and there, maybe a little bit down here. Okay. Now, obviously, it's clear. Oh, you know what? Let's do this little chunk right here. Give me a second. I'm going to re-dab. See, for that little chunk right there on the end, we're going to do that. I don't have a lot, so we're just going to literally just tickle it. It's a little tickly poo, you know, nothing crazy. You don't want to modify the surface with the polish. You know, you want to keep the uniform surface, so you're just lightly coating it. Okay, so put your lid on. All right. This is the cool part. Yeah, oh, I gotta wait forever for my stuff to dry, blah, 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 blah. No. So, this little dude, just hit a button. It's kind of motion activated it, see? So, you just put it under here for a little bit. But see, this stuff is tacky right now. You put this under here, activate it, put the light for a little bit, maybe turn around, you know. The more the merrier. I mean, it doesn't need to be 5 minutes or anything like that, but literally like 45 seconds. Try not to let it touch the light or anything like that. Do, 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 do. Okay. So if you can see, that was around 43, 45 seconds. I can touch it. Nothing. All right. Now, kids, this is where the magic happens. I'm going to pull my dust out. Let's be careful. Let's not get all loco. All right. See? Just a little bit. Don't burn. See my dust? Don't. You don't need a lot. Trust me. You really, really don't. Just a little bit with the tip. That's it. That's it. That's it. But watch. Hopefully I can get this on camera, but check this. Oop. You just kind of rub it in. Oh, sorry, don't mean to hit the camera. But all the sides that you put your polish on will accept that, because it's like gooey, tacky, but it's not. It won't like. It's kind of sticky. Trying to be quick, but you know, you don't want to rush stuff like this. That, and I'm trying to brace it while it's spinning on a rod in here, but I'm doing it hopefully good enough to where you guys can see it, but I want to present it nicely. So it's just a little difficult. You know what? I'm just going to hold it. There we go. A little bit more down there. And it won't rub off unless you like hit it with water or something like that. So while you're doing it, don't worry about it. Just, I wouldn't get it on your clothes or your dog or anything like that. Definitely wouldn't do that. Be angry puppy. Okay, so a little more there. Rub that in. But it's like if you rub it in more, it will polish out more, from what I've seen. So there we are. And we'll try doing that little chunk. That should be interesting. Let's give it a shot though. See that little chunk right there. So here we go. Do 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 do. Okay. Looks pretty good. Tighten down on these. Okay, so. And a little bit right there. All right. Looks pretty good. Almost looks like pity chrome in some areas, but try doing that perimeter real quick. Now I do have the protective film on that lens, or that sticker lens thing or whatever. Okay. All right. Not bad. So hard to get focused, y'all. I'm sorry. Anyway, okay. You might think we're done now. But wait. There's more. There is more. All right. Back to this stuff. Now this is where we seal the deal, kids. This is where we really make it come alive. It looks chrome-ish now, but wait till this. Again, light. No need for loco. This is where we literally seal in the chrome polished dust stuff. And this is what wakes it up and what gives it its real good shine. Just a protective clear coat, literally. And just, you don't need to slob it on. You can tell when you make the coverage on something. It'll go from kind of a flat haze to a gloss. Duh. So, really hope I'm in view, guys. Got a shaky hand. So there. And along the bottom. Just tickle the rim. Ooh. And then, I think we still have enough on this. You know what? Yeah, I can do that. I'll do that. Just get a little bit on that right there. And then tag that guy a little bit. Nice and easy. Sorry guys, it's kind of one of my first DIY videos, so bear with me. I'm learning here. I'm learning, y'all. It's like you. I'm trying to learn with learning. Learn with teaching or something like that. I don't know. But I did see this method a couple years ago, and I've been using it here and there. When I want really good chrome, this is what I do. Now, if you just need something quick and easy, then yeah, paint pens all day long. Here we go. Forgot that side. Forgot that side. Okay, back into the Do Hummy light thingy, and it'll just flip on here. Let me see. There we go. Do 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 do. Light won't hurt you or anything, but I just wouldn't sit there and stare at the dang thing. So yeah, just a couple minutes or seconds. But it's a really good, I like it. It turns out smooth and I guess you would say deep. I don't know. It just looks good. And I like that it looks good. And I want your trucks to look good. So, learn. Okay. Dry. Dry. Not bad. Not bad. So, but it is dry, so it's done. So, that's it. I wish I had a better example, but yeah, Amazon thingy, glass finish gel, and chrome nail dust polish stuff. I don't know a technical name. You can find it on Amazon. You guys are smart. But that's it. Maybe the next one I'll show you guys how to make an antenna. All right. iOS truck, Willys. Should be a good time. All right, kids. Well, if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Send hate mail. I don't care. But I'm going to try picking up on the YouTube thing a little bit more. Want to teach you guys some cool stuff. Want to learn some cool stuff from you guys. Yeah, and just have a good time with it, and just, let's build better and learn and all that nerdy stuff. Just community connection stuff. But yeah, dig it. Let me know what you think. Bye.